Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you one beautiful house in a very beautiful place. Look at this region. We have complete panoramic sea view, and with these mountains and valley, the scenery looks beautiful. And the best thing, these houses are on the market with very reasonable price. It's very cheap. First two. In the end of the video, we will talk about the price, how you can know about the prices. But today I'm going to show you one 3+1 apartment in this beautiful building. So let's start the house tour together. Okay, so today we will do the house tour of this apartment. Again, this is 3+1. The total area is 120 square meters. And look, there are two blocks in this compound, like two buildings, and both of the buildings have elevators. Okay, so let's come inside the building. The house. So we have a very strong door, and also you can see the system here. You can control from outside from this. And this is the main beautiful part, the kitchen. The quality, they are using a quality products, as you can see. And this is the living room section of the house. And look, the height of the ceiling is really high. And they are using the classical lighting system, also the LED and the spot lights, 3 type of lights. And the best part is this amazing balcony and the view. I really love this. The sea view is really incredible, all the side. And on this side you have a valley. And look at there, guys. The bus station is right in front of your building. It's like walking distance, 2 or 3 minutes. So you can find buses. And this area is really near to the Izmit center, like hardly 10 or 15 minutes. And you can find buses like after 15 and 20 minutes. So, and one more thing, this is not like a jungle or countryside. Most of the people think like Kojaile is like countryside or village. No, it's not like that. It's really well developed area. So now let's continue the tour. So you have 2 entrances, and from here you have one bathroom, common bathroom, shower section attached. This is nude style attached, and this is the washing machine section. Also cabinets are available. And this is a small room, you can say like a children room, and each room has this balcony. And look at this view. On the left side you have panoramic sea view, and on your back side you have amazing valley view. It's so green and wonderful. Like you can feel the fresh air coming towards you, and it's so healthy and fresh. The back side of this is known as the parking lot. You can park your vehicles, and this is the children public area, playing area, and also we have a swimming pool. And let me just explain to you, in this compound there are 2 buildings. Each building has 10 floors. Total apartments in this compound are 40. The least one is 2+1 and going up to 5+1. But there are just 2 5+1 apartments in this compound. So, and in this, there is one more room here, and we also have a balcony section. It's like the same kind of view, very fresh air is coming. You feel more healthy in this kind of house. It's like there is no humidity. The weather is really good in this area. I can feel it. So let's go towards the last room. This is known as the master room section. And the best part, look. Yeah, the best part is the air is coming in all the rooms, it's like open area. And you have an attached washroom, shower section. And one more incredible thing in this house is this. Look, in case of any natural disaster like earthquake, fire, you have an emergency exit. Look, you can directly run away from your building and you can go to some safe area, because this is like a tower section, tower concept. So in case if there is something went wrong, there is a fire, you can directly reach this section and you, yeah, Allah Muhafiza, if something goes wrong, you have an exit, emergency exit in your apartment. So the concept is really beautiful, but the most amazing thing, the view is really amazing. So let's finish the video in the balcony section. So I really hope you like this video, and I just want to add few more details, like the schools are near to this apartments, and also there are markets, and if you go little down, there are also restaurants and other things. This area is like virgin, so that's why. But very near to this project, there is one more project which is very high. Like they have same kind of apartments, little luxury, but the prices are like double. So this is really a good opportunity, and you can see the video description to know about the price details. And if you want to know more information how to buy this, you can definitely contact my friend Mr. Hakan.
Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuh.
Yeah,
my mobile and WhatsApp number is 00905322078634.
Yeah, and if you want to see more property videos, you can visit his channel, which is OZR Projects.
OZR
Projects.
Okay.
So, and please comment below your feedback, which is very helpful for us to improve our videos. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. We will be very happy to help you. And don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends also, guys. Help us to increase our audience.
Because people are deserving to
Better.
know that beauty.
Yeah, you deserve better than Istanbul. This place is really better than Istanbul. The families who are coming in Kocaeli, this is their feedback, this is their remarks. So you should help us to make this Kocaeli popular.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. So see you soon, guys, with another nice video. Till then, take care. Fi aman Allah. Shor out.